So I'm going to talk a little bit about thematic ETFs and how important it is when you're looking at very concentrated areas of the market. Being able to pick winners and losers is important. It's why we're seeing such strong outperformance from chat over the other three. I think whenever you're doing something that's really thematic, it is important to have active management. Especially when it's in a particular area like this, because missing the top performer, as Dave pointed out, NVIDIA, Palantir, can substantially change the results. And having that active management, that really close eye on the portfolio, having the ability to make changes more frequently and to be more nimble, I think is advantageous whenever you're talking about thematic ETFs. I think it is notable that Chat is the only one that had large positions in Palantir and NVIDIA. And we can say what we want of following the crowd, momentum, whatever, but those stocks have been the biggest winners in the space. And when you look at the winners in AI, it is actually these larger cap names. Now, to Dave's point about volatility and how things have done over the last 5 years, I think that's all really valid. You're not going to invest in a thematic ETF unless you have a strong conviction in this particular theme. But I will note that the theme of AI is only recently really picked up steam. NVIDIA has been a great stock for 5 years, but it's only been in the past 2.5 where the stock has really taken off. And that is because the trends in AI have become more ingrained in the revenue and the future tailwinds of these companies. More and more, we're seeing companies kind of focus more on their AI opportunities. Marvell Technology is a perfect example. Company that was normally like a cloud networking, 5G kind of name, has completely transformed its business because the vast majority of its demand is coming from AI related opportunities. And so they have kind of sold off a lot of their ancillary businesses to focus more on AI. I think we're going to see more of that. So in the next 5 years, I think this is a theme that you would want to be invested in a concentrated way. And so for that reason, I think the active management and the concentrated nature of chat makes it stand out for me among the battle category ETFs.